When the world's original three-wheeler drove into India, it brought a revolution with it. A revolution of self-reliance that changed the cargo business forever. Piaggio Ape grew from strength to strength and soon became the leader in last-mile connectivity, thus transforming the lives of over 30 lakh happy customers. Now, it's time to transform the future. Presenting the fully electric Ape E-Extra FX and Ape E-City FX, the next generation of performance and earnings. Contemporary design and colors, attractive silver bezel, fabulous dual-tone seats, blue vision headlamps for better nighttime visibility. Unbeatable looks meet unbeatable technology. Powerful fixed lithium-ion battery that can be charged at home or office quickly and easily. Advanced digital cluster for next-gen driving. The Ape Electric FX range is equipped with Piaggio iConnect for real-time information to monitor your vehicle performance. The vehicles have no clutch or gear, no engine or emissions, very low noise and vibrations, simply the lowest maintenance costs and unmatched comfort. The Ape E-Extra FX is your gateway to superior performance and earnings. The 6-feet deck offers you maximum load carrying capacity. The incredible 9.5 kilowatt motor gives you uncompromised performance and makes it India's most powerful three-wheeler cargo. Superior range per charge and lowest running cost per kilometer make it a lean-mean earnings machine. The Ape E-City FX is powered by a 5.44 kilowatt motor for effortless driving and comfort. Unmatched range per charge, lowest maintenance and the lowest running cost per kilometer make it India's most profitable three-wheeler. What's more, drive without any worries with industry's first 3-year free maintenance, 3-year super warranty and widest service network. Upgrade your earnings, upgrade your status.